welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Steph, and today we are jumping into I Hate My Wardrobe Season 2, Episode 2 with a haul. Now, normally I don't like to do hauls first, but these have been sitting here at my house for almost a month, and I can't wait any longer. And also the sun is out, and this is the first time it's been out all day, so we're gonna take advantage of the good lighting to show you guys the product, and we're gonna do things in reverse order. The vision board, the ideas, the slide deck, the lists, don't worry, those are on the way, as well as a video breaking down everything from the summer, fall acquisitions, the best pieces, and kind of the pieces that I think are going to transition well, and pieces that are more summer pieces. And also, I have a video that I want to film that's going to be my packing for Asia. I'm going back to Asia for the first time in 7 years, and I am so excited. I'm going back for Christmas like I usually do, and I want to share with you guys what I'm packing, especially the summer stuff, because we're going to be pulling out like all of those pieces that I loved from the summer, all of those looks. We're going to bring them back. But anyways, that is a separate thing. So I think my concierge thinks I'm a crazy lady, but I have this box. Now, these are the Staud Wally boots. We're gonna open them and see what happens. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. All right. I love them. Okay. Shoes on the table is bad luck, but I gotta just put them somewhere. I'm obsessed. I was so worried that this wasn't going to fit my calves, but I think we're okay. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw from the angle. So these are the Staud Wally boots. I got a size 39 because 38.5 was unavails. And I got them from Essence. I really originally wanted to get them from Whole Run Through, but they were completely sold out, and even just to try them on, they had no sizes, nothing even close, so I could be like, oh, I should go up a half size or two. So we're gonna hope and pray. The one good thing about Essence is they have really amazing shipping, like so convenient, so quick. It's great. Massive box, but it comes with a little dust bag, which I love for my boots, for all my shoes and things, but super good. I'm wearing jeans. I don't think I'm gonna put them on with jeans first try, but I'm going to maybe pop on a skirt or some shorts and put them on and give you guys a look on what they look like on. Into a skirt. I'm not loving how the cardigan and the skirt look together, but these are boots. I really like them. They are a little high on my knees, but I think that's just gonna be kind of an is what it is with my legs being shorter. Like, I'm more torso heavy, so it is everything. These are perfect though, in terms of they're nicely pointy, they're quite comfy. I think because they're a leather sole, I am gonna want to get them resoled so that the salt and stuff doesn't eat away at the bottom. But overall, I really like them, and I think they're comfy right now. I will do a whole like FYI before you buy on these at some point once I've worn them a bit more, but they're giving. I love them. Maybe I should get these in the ankle boot to go underneath jeans. What do you guys think? I know, I really like them. They're super good. All right, guys, that concludes episode 2 of I Hate My Wardrobe. This little haul of boots. I am so happy that these boots worked out because they are what I really feel like is a missing link right now in my clothing, like in my wardrobe and everything, just like a pair of lower heeled black boots, especially with the pointed toe. I am obsessed with them already. I can't wait to get to styling them and showing you guys how they work into the vision for my wardrobe. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.